In this video, I will show how to reset Taskbar chat to factory defaults in Windows 11. So firstly, click on Start, then open Settings. Now here click on Apps, then here click on Installed Apps. Now here search Themes. You will see Microsoft Teams. Click on this three dot, then Advanced Options. Firstly, Terminate, and after that Repair. Still you are facing problem, so just you have to reset. Now once you see this check mark, close and restart your system. So this is the setting, guys. You can reset Taskbar chat to factory defaults in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.